What's going on, guys? Welcome to the first video of Exclusive Outdoors. And right now it is 101 degrees out here in Texas. And I'm gonna flip the camera around here so you guys can see what we're working on. Sold 1994, what is it called? Alumicraft, I think. Yeah. Alumicraft. Sold 1994 Alumicraft John boat that came with the trailer and the engine on it. So this is a supposed 1994 let's see, what is it, Nissan 15 horsepower engine that it's kind of old, so but this beauty's gonna be working like a charm by the time we're done with it. So as you can see, I kind of already started taking out that, and there was like a cabinet or something right there. I took it out, all that wood's right here. I didn't want to, that was kind of a harder process. So yeah. So basically what we're going to be doing on this boat project is restoring it and getting it working nice, getting it lake worthy, getting her seaworthy actually, not to go on the ocean obviously, but just to have fun on. So what we're gonna start off doing is, I'm gonna flip the camera around here. We're gonna start off by actually cleaning these leaves out here, because oh, that's a cockroach right there. Look at that. But after the leaves, we're gonna, I got bit by a spider on the finger or something. That's not good. We're gonna power wash the boat, and we gotta take the engine off. So, where's my sawhorses? I'm gonna put the engine on the sawhorses in the shade. And so, but the basic plan for this boat is, I'm sorry, my camera's sideways. Basic plan for this boat is have a plywood running from here to here. I got a ton of plywood, spare plywood over there that's cured, so that I can put this on the boat. Get that out of here. I got this actually came with the boat, this maybe a 15-pound anchor, so that's nice. I'm gonna use the power washer to try and get all that off right there, because can't have that on there because I gotta get the stickers. I'm gonna put pipes on here, and not 2x4s, what am I thinking, PVC pipes. I'm gonna respray paint all this because that's all rusty and everything. That gas can is gonna stay here, but I need to get all these power cords and stuff out. So we're gonna get on with that, and I'm gonna set a time lapse of me doing this. Alright boys, so we got most of the leaves cleaned out, so now it's time to take the engine off. So let's go get some sawhorses. Alright boys, so now we're gonna start with the power washing part of the boat. So I'm gonna obviously set a time lapse for that as well. I'm gonna try and get, let me pause the video and switch it real quick. I'm gonna try and get these stickers off with that. If I can't get them off with the power washer, which is right there, then I'm gonna need, what you call it, heat gun, and maybe the Alumicraft stickers. And after I'm done painting everything, I'm gonna put my own personal decals on the boat. So maybe YouTube channel name, maybe my name. All right, I gotta start power washing, so set a time lapse here. All right, boys, so we did good. Got the, oh man, I'm dirty. Got the inside of the boat power washed off. Got some of the outside power washed off, but most important thing, let me flip the camera real quick, is got it off the trailer and on some cinder blocks. So we can inspect the bottom. Obviously we gotta repaint everything. I got, conveniently, more of these 4x10s over here, and I'm gonna wrap them in carpet, and I'm gonna spend a lot of money on paint, but I'm gonna have to figure out how to take these things off right here. I bet there's a bolt or something that I can take off, but there's a little thing. I'm gonna wrap the new versions of these in carpet. I'm gonna spray paint this black. Let's see. I think I'm gonna go with red and black on the boat or something. Right now, for what I'm thinking right now. Still haven't managed to power wash those off because I really haven't tried. Because I got the tip of the power washer blew off in the boat, and I had to go find it. So, I'll check back with you when I got the rest of the boat power washed, I guess. What's up, guys? Welcome back after the exciting power washing adventure. And right now, we're going to be taking off these old 4x10s. Oh, okay, spiderweb. So, under these 4x10s, under here, there's bolts that I can remove. But first of all, okay, I'm back. Just had to pick the trailer up a little bit. So we're gonna go down here. Undo these. This is gonna be kind of a tough little adventure. Maybe not. So I have to turn it off pretty easily. And going the wrong way. Yep. Definitely going the wrong way. There we go. Now she's spinning. Okay, so she's on. Alright. First little thing off. We'll go over here now. See if we can't. Oh, this one feels like it's coming off a lot easier. That's good. I'm so dirty right now, boys. Always be up here, second one off. Alright. Now it's time to go up here and take these off. Oh, this one's coming off nice and easy. Let me adjust the camera. Alright. There we go. Looks like this guy had carpet on it at one point, but it might come off. I mean, what if there's no carpet on it now? That would be the obvious. Alright, boys. Third nut off, or nuts and bolts and stuff. This looks like it's coming off pretty easy as well. These look like newer bolts to me, or newer nuts. They don't have as much rust on them. The fourth off right there. I don't know if you can see that. We'll get all these and put them together. Alright, boys. So, fix the camera again. These are all the nuts and stuff I took off. So we're gonna set these over here on the wood. Stop rolling. Just in case I ever need them again. So next we're going to take the wood off. So it should be pretty self-explanatory. Just kind of pull it off. Just like that. And maybe I'll save the bolts. So just in case. Can't find any anywhere else. Sure, I'll be able to, but we're just gonna bang these through here like that, and like that. So now we got ourselves a 4x10. That's not what's supposed to happen. Now we got ourselves a 4x10 I can just throw over there. All right, if you follow me over here, we're just gonna quickly do a little bit of a lift. Okay, it's coming out a little bit harder. That's fine though, because I got it. Come pop this one out. Turn that upside down. Just perfect, just like that. So now, got ourselves another 4x10. We can just chuck over here. And I need to go grab a tape measure. I'll be right back. So what we're actually gonna do is measure these so I can use them for the new 4x10s that I'm gonna put up on the trailer. So that is about 7 feet. And just measure this one. This one is exactly 7 feet. So 7 feet's the magic number. So what we're gonna do now is, let me set my tripod back up to normal. Oh, that's not what's supposed to happen. Okay, so we're gonna run over here and we're gonna set us up plywood on this plywood right here, like on a wall or something, so we can get to the 4x10s that are underneath it. We are going to be using this plywood for the build itself. All right, so we got our 2 pieces of plywood marked out, and stick this in this pocket. So basically, what we're going to want to do is we're going to go down here on these marks and cut it that way, right there and right there. And we got to wrap it in carpet too. So I'm going to go grab a saw real quick, and I'll be right back.